Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can pin a message or like the chat you wanna pin on the chat box. Let's do it. Open up your Messenger app, and then you will comes over here. You will see your friends over here in the chat box, and you want to pin someone on the top. So you can see over here, you have to do is click or like swipe it to the left, and you will see this option over here, archive or pin or more. So you have to do is click on pin, and it's gonna be pin. And when this person message you or text you, this message will be on the top, never get in the end or like another person's behind or like that. So that's it, that's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.